This is an amazing time in human history for technology, and it's touched our lives in a few truly tangible ways. And right now is also a pretty amazing time for vacuum technology. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've had a chance to try out probably dozens of different vacuums and several models from Dyson. Today I am hands-on with the Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus, a vacuum with some new technology, new attachments and cleaner heads, plus lasers. In this review, I'll look at what you get with this kit, how well the attachments work, how well everything cleans, both on carpets and on hard floors, and the pros and cons overall, plus if I can recommend this vacuum for you. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and do consider becoming a subscriber. Both those things help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from. Okay, what is the Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus? This is a cordless stick vacuum that's designed to fill the space between the light and uber portable cordless vacuums and more powerful, bigger capacity uprights. The Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus is specifically built for larger and more carpeted North American homes, so it's got a larger dustbin, bigger cleaner head, plus more powerful suction and an additional battery. In the box, you get quite a lot. There's the main vacuum handle with integrated dustbin and filtration, plus a small screen is also built into the back to show battery countdown timer and different cleaning modes. There are 3 main cleaning heads and several accessories. Let's dive in on those. The one in the middle here is the High Torque XL cleaner head, and you could also call this the main vacuum head, as it's the largest roller head option in the package. With what's called Dyson's dynamic load sensor, it will automatically adjust power on different floor types, meaning you can deep clean between carpet and hard floors without having to swap accessories if you don't want to. Next up is the Laser Slim Fluffy cleaner head. With its Jetsons meets teddy bear name, this cleaning brush head must be something amazing, right? It actually is. With its padded fluffy brush, it's made specifically for wood and tile floors because those fuzzy rollers can trap and inhale fine particles of dust thanks to anti-static fibers. Add in a laser that's generated when powered on. There's green light that emanates horizontally across your floors, and it'll actually bounce off particles so you can see them better. The hair screw tool on the right-hand side here is our third main option. It has an anti-tangle cone-shaped brush bar that not only picks up long hair or pet hair, but its shape is made to prevent the hair and fibers from wrapping around the roller and creating tangled clogs. With that cone shape, the hair should eventually work its way off the brush and right into the dustbin. When it comes to other attachments and accessories, there's a combination tool with brush, crevice tool, dusting brush, plus an extra battery and some mounting hardware and clips if you want to hang it. There's actually so many accessories, I had a hard time using them all during my review period. One of the marketing messages of this vacuum is that it gets an improved 120 minutes of battery life, while the Dyson V15 or V11 by comparison gets about 60 minutes, as I mentioned earlier. Now, is this because Dyson's battery technology has been revolutionized? No. Because the Outsize Absolute Plus here comes with a second battery, that is actually what doubles the stated runtime. You need to keep your extra battery charged and ready to truly get that 120 minutes. Otherwise, it is about 60 minutes per battery. Fully charging one of the batteries will take a lengthy 4.5 hours. This vacuum is ultra easy to use, and while it's noticeably heavier than the V11 Absolute, for example, that I reviewed not that long ago, it is still easy to carry around. The accessories and brush and roller heads snap in and out easily with no pulling or tugging. The Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus cleaned all the surfaces of my home really well. It definitely powers dirt and fine dust out of carpets, things like dried dog paw prints too, and it gets rid of pet hair really well. It is actually surprising to see what ends up in the dustbin, particularly when you thought your floors were already pretty clean. Now, when it comes to these 2 new cleaning heads, I was really and truly surprised by the Laser Slim Fluffy cleaner head. Let's take a closer look at it here. Now, to be frank, before my testing, I pretty much thought that adding lasers to your vacuum was about as relevant as adding lasers to golf carts. I can now admit, though, I was wrong. The green laser does an outstanding job of illuminating dirt I truly could not see. My first use, I'd already vacuumed the previous day and I thought there'd be nothing for it to light up. Nope. That green laser cuts right across the floor's surface at an oblique angle, which is perfect for making dirt and dust bunnies light up like tiny beacons. It truly made hard-to-spot dirt easy to see, both in low light conditions and bright light. The hair screw tool also worked outstandingly well. After using it on a dog bed, furniture, and then even testing it on carpet, the conical brush had absolutely zero hair wrapped around it. I guess I should also save a bit of digital video time for thoughts about that main cleaner head, and saying it works well and cleans a large area fast seems like kind of an afterthought after waxing poetic about its siblings. The Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus has 3 different cleaning modes. Eco mode uses the least amount of power and gives you longer overall battery life and runtime. Auto or medium mode will automatically adjust the engine to deliver more power on carpets, while boost mode increases suction again to really power out ground-in dirt. One of the nice features about the Outsize Absolute Plus here that carries over from other Dyson vacuums is the point and shoot bin emptying feature, and that's this little red lever you can see right here. After detaching your tools, just give the lever a swipe to flip open the base of the bin and all the dirt drops right into the trash. You don't need to get your hands dirty. Overall, the Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus here is easily the best large format stick vacuum you can buy, and it kills me to have to send my loaner unit here back. When it comes to the pros, it is powerful. It has automatically adjustable suction, a great array of tools and accessories are included, plus there's long battery life with both battery packs in use. There's a bigger cleaner head and larger dustbin for less frequent emptying. And the laser sighting actually works wonders. Plus, that new hair screw tool doesn't tangle. Now, any downsides? Well, it is definitely heavier than the average stick vacuum, particularly when used as a handheld. The batteries do take a while to charge, and yes, it is quite expensive. The vacuum sells for about $899 US, and I'm not seeing any Canadian pricing just yet, but you can generally add about 30%. Even so, this vacuum cleans brilliantly, and I can't make any major complaints about it. If you need a new vacuum with the power of an upright, amazing new and useful cleaning heads, and without the trailing cords, this stick vacuum has the ability to clean your whole home. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about here, you can head over to techgadgetscanada.com, where I've got a full write-up. There you can ask me any questions you have about this vacuum. You can also post them here in comments below. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next time, you can catch me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me on Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.